everybody, and welcome to the Pretty Bird flock. Pretty Bird's back. Pretty Bird, say hi everybody. Yeah. She's telling the birds who's boss. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah, you tell him. Are you a big bird? Huh? Yeah, you are. I always bring Pretty Bird a nice bowl of water. Don't spill the water, which she plays with and spills. Sometimes tries to take baths in it. There are videos of this. Now she doesn't want me to take it. You are such a silly bird, you know that? Look at that. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys yet, but I tried refilling the pool in our yard so that Pretty Bird could go swim and y'all could go see Pretty Bird play, but we discovered that the pool has a big old hole. It must have cracked. So this is one of those cheap little 8-foot wide, 3-foot like deep, or maybe more like 2.5-foot deep, like Walmart pools, like big like a little 8-foot circle. You're such a silly bird. What are you doing? You gonna get it? So I'm gonna try to see if they have it on sale again at Walmart when we go there later on today. See if I can't get Pretty Bird something to splash in for outside. Should be fun. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah. Are you having fun? Big bird. Mama loves it when you do the big bird. Yes, I do. What was that? Pretty Bird's like, what was that? Coo, coo, coo. When she hears the doves, I always wonder if she's thinking, it doesn't go ooh, 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 ooh. It goes goo, goo. Because that's what she does. She goes goo, goo. Are they getting it wrong, Pretty Bird? It's one of my favorite things about mornings. It's how many birds are around and there's not that much noise. So you hear all the different birdies singing or making their little sounds. Oh, Pretty Bird, look there. There's your buddies again. Did you not notice them? So cute when you roll your head around. You're so cute. Oh, pretty. Oh, pretty. What a pretty bird. You're so silly. You're so silly. The bird. She's like, Mom, why are you recording me? I'm taking a bath. Cleaning myself here. That's my good girl. Alright, pretty bird. Want to go walk over to your other spot where you got your dandelions? Hmm? You want to go walk over to your other spot where we got the dandelions? Oh look, pretty bird lost a feather. That's a pretty bird feather right there. Fun fact, I actually collect most of Pretty Bird's feathers. Like the big ones that she loses. I think that they are beautiful. And sometimes we make stuff out of them. She's like, no, don't take my water. Don't worry, Mama's not dumping it. Come on. Let's go to your other spot, baby. You coming? Yeah? Cuckoo. You're such a silly bird. Come on. Yeah? I know. I know. Cuckoo. 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 Oh my goodness. Well guys, that just fell. That was not here about 5 minutes ago. You don't touch that pretty bird, okay? Let's hope there's nothing attached to it. Nope. It looks like it's an older nest. I heard something fall. I know I did. I know I heard something fall. I'm going to look around a little bit just to make sure there's no babies in the rest that could have fallen out of it, but it does look like it was an older nest. Are you guys cleaning house? Huh? I'm not going to let Pretty Bird eat that. Num-nums? Num-nums? You can get your num-nums? Come on, baby. Come here. Let's see, we'll look around just for a second. I know we're going to go to your favorite spot, and we're still gonna, okay? I'm just making sure there's no babies over here underneath this tree because it fell down. The nest fell down, Pretty Bird. Yeah, did you find some long grass right on that stem? Yeah, I don't see anything like moving or anything like that, so I'm guessing it was just an old nest. I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see him, but there's a bird up there right above. You can see the tail moving. I'm guessing that's the one. Probably threw it out. Maybe wanted to get rid of it because it reveals the sight of its babies. But it is pretty amazing though how these nests are built. I mean, they take grass and all this random stuff. Come on, pretty. And they create these insanely sturdy little things out of them that keeps their babies safe. And I mean, some of those things just literally don't break and won't come off. They're so intertwined with the tree itself. It's pretty amazing how talented birdies can be, huh? Yeah, geese too. They're smart too. A goose actually doesn't lay all its eggs at once. I don't know if you guys know this. I'm not trying to lecture or anything, but for anybody who might not know this, a goose will actually lay usually about an egg a day or every other day, and she will and she will leave her nest. She actually doesn't stay on her nest after she lays the egg. She'll stay for a while to recover, to relax for a little while, but she doesn't stay for too long. There you go, honey. Here's your favorite spot. She loves this corner, probably because this is where we usually hung out whenever we go to the playground right here, but also because it has like a variety of grasses and dandelions and clovers and all kinds of stuff, so she likes to eat over here. Anyway, so what a goose does is they lay an egg, usually about once a day, most of the time, maybe once every other day. And then after a little bit of recovery time sitting on a nest, while usually the husband, well, the mate, the male, looks out for them and is basically guarding them. After that, they actually cover their eggs. So they'll use their beak to pull branches, leaves, grass, and usually their own down feathers. And the reason they use their own down feathers is because it actually keeps it warm. Kind of like, you know, when you wear a stuffed jacket, like a jacket that was made from, like, you know, goose down or duck down. It is very warm. So that's how they protect the baby eggs. And what's actually fascinating is that an egg, for a lot of waterfowl and for chickens, it's more than a week that it takes for them to actually accumulate the amount of eggs that they plan on hatching or that they're going to hatch. And as they accumulate them, they actually don't incubate. So those eggs are actually not starting to grow at all. They're not developing. They've been laid, but they could still develop. And it can be, you know, like I said, it can be over a week. I know some animals you can even wait 2 weeks before putting the egg in the incubator, but when the mother then finally does decide to sit on them, then all of them start growing at the exact same time, even the ones that are like, you know, a week and a half, 2 weeks old. And I think it's pretty cool because it's like the embryo, or, well, all the stuff that's in there is dormant and just waiting for the right time, waiting for the right temperature to start developing. And I always found that fascinating, that just because an egg is a little bit older or the mother isn't sitting on her eggs does not mean that the egg is not fertile. It could be fertile. If she has a male, it could be fertile. Right, Pretty Bird? Pretty Bird still has not laid any eggs, by the way. We're still waiting to see if she will. The chances are slowly dropping that she is actually a she. But, I mean, it's not going to change to us whether or not we love her. It's just going to be... Okay, honest answer to everyone, if you guys want to help me out here. If Pretty Bird's not a she, should I keep or change her name? Alright, I'm going to leave you guys with that. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for future content. And we'd like to welcome everyone who has subscribed recently. Welcome to the Pretty Bird flock. We are so happy to have you. And please add your comments. Let us know what you think. Alrighty, guys. We're going to go ahead and go now. We'll probably upload another video later. We love y'all. Pretty Bird, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Are you a good girl? Yes, you are. Oh, my baby. Bye, everybody. Bye.